most of us, you don't travel very often, and when you do, you pick an airline that offers the best deal. So you probably assume frequent flyer programs are only for business travelers, but that's not the case. You can benefit from frequent flyer miles too. Step 1. Choose your program wisely. If you choose the same route more than once or twice a year, going home to visit family or others, it's wise to choose one airline for those trips. That way you can earn miles and points within the same loyalty program. Who knows, you might even get a free flight faster than you think. Pool your rewards. Remember, there are so many other ways to get your miles besides flying. You can even sign up for a credit card. They usually give you 25,000 miles just for signing up, so that's a good way to then add more miles to your frequent flyer program. On a smaller scale, you can also sign up for affiliated dining and shopping programs and earn miles for your everyday purchases. Also, check which car rental companies or even hotel chains are affiliated with your frequent flyer program and make sure to use them to your advantage to get more miles. Step 3. Find out the partner airlines. Now, here's the good news. You're not a slave to one airline. If you're earning miles with a U.S. airline, it's probably part of an alliance that has many different airlines associated. If that is the case, you can fly on any of those airlines to get points. But make sure to check. Most of the time, American Airlines are not under the same alliance. Step 4. Know when to use your miles. Once you've accumulated them, don't just use them on any old trip. Using miles for a $300 domestic trip is a waste. Save up and use them for a bucket list trip. Step 5. Know the expiration policy of your frequent flyer program. All frequent flyer programs are different, but most have some kind of expiration date. Some airlines offer miles that never expire, but qualification miles, like the ones that offer free upgrades and airport privileges, do. The most important thing is to keep your account active. It could be as simple as shopping on iTunes or earning just a few miles through affiliate programs. Finally, a word of caution. Frequent flyer programs can get pretty addictive, so make sure you're not going on silly mileage runs at the end of the year or racking up credit card bills just to up your mileage. It is so not worth it.